right, progression for tuck hold and for any variation of like a tuck and hollow body or a tuck and roll. So I'm going to take you through some progressions here that you can work through, and this will help you become successful at your tucks. So you can grab a partner or two and you can have them help you hold in your tuck, and do this for as long as y'all both can. Next progression, chair position, bent arms, sit back in a chair and hold. Next, chair position, bend to arms, one-legged, lower down to straight arms. Repeat, change sides. Next progression, same position, and you're going to tuck and rock back. Tuck one knee up and rock back. You can leave one foot on the ground, and as you get stronger, you can bring it up off the floor. Next progression, you can jump, tuck. Be safe here, be mindful. All right, next position, chair, and just slowly lift that foot off the ground to tuck. Next progression, you're going to tuck and rock and pulse. It's a pulse rocking. And then before you know it, you'll be able to go all the way back into a full tuck roll. All right, good luck.